Alrighty, we have a construction update for you guys today on Mindbuster. Things are definitely heating up over at Mindbuster. We're getting a very good idea of the actual banking of the helix. So if you look here, you can see those columns of wood, and it shows the exact banking that the new gravity group section is going to take. And it starts even before the turn. So that's very good news. Definitely going to create a much better ride experience. On top of that, they've actually already started to install the gravity group pre-cut track. So very good pacing in terms of construction compared to last year's big pause. And there was a big pause this year too. Seems like the holidays creates that, obviously, for obvious reasons. But the fact that the pre-cut track, the prefab track is going in place already. Definitely a very good sign. The banking looks absolutely amazing going into the helix. Very curious to see if they're actually going to do the whole helix or if that's it. Again, they are a little bit ahead. I'm looking at it. You know, we're not even in February yet, and they're already this far. So I can totally see them going and doing that second half after this. But we'll have to wait and see. Maybe Wonderland just wants this open for sure this year. Come the new year, and maybe they're just doing it in smaller sections at a time. But we'll have to wait and see. Outside of that, nothing else to really report. Triple J is killing it. This is very quick progress. Almost every day that I go fly, there is something to see. So it's very exciting. As you can see there's that banking that I'm talking about before it even starts to hit the turn. So very, very excited to see what Gravity Group has done in terms of smoothing out this coaster. It's almost like it was like a coaster designed by someone that doesn't know how to play No Limits, and then Gravity Group is coming in and what do you call it? Smoothing it out and making it what it should have been. So very exciting. No evidence of any work going on with Wild Beast, just a heads up. So you're going to want to keep your eyes over there. The more seasons we go without it getting work, definitely a sign to the future of it being removed or whatever they're going to do with it. So I just wanted to give my 2 cents on that. That is just an opinion. But yeah, if you look here, definitely got some great shots of Mindbuster. It's looking so much better. So super excited. Anyways, thanks so much. You guys are going to want to go over to our Patreon. I'm going to link it down below in a pinned comment. A link to our Patreon. There are some exciting updates on some of the other roller coasters or rides in the park. That's all I'm going to say to that. And yeah, stay tuned for more. Thanks so much, guys. Have a good one. Bye.